Hi everybody, it's Nadia here again, and I'm bringing to you the rest of the W7 makeup that I didn't try in my last W7 makeup. There's not a lot, but it's still going to take me a while, so I just thought I'd do another first impression on the rest of the stuff, and there is a couple that are going to be second impressions because I've not used them yet. First of all, I'm going to go in with the WSS Princess Potion primer. I really didn't form an opinion on this last time. It was nice and pink, but it was, I don't know what you'd call it. I just know that it was nice and smoothing. That's made my face look a little bit pink, if you can see. So that feels really nice. It's really tacky. I'm going in with my Revlon Photo Ready primer as well. Just more for my pores than anything else. So just where the pores are. And I don't know when this video is going out, but I've just received the taco polish at this point. This could go out next month. I don't know. But I just thought I'd try these while they're still sitting around brand new. And then under my eyes I'm going in with the Kiko one, just to colour correct. You've all seen this 1,000 times, and I'm sorry about the light. It is actually about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so I was hoping the light would disappear a bit more, but no. So now that I've covered that part up, I am going to go into, so this is the Wet n Wild HD Definition Camera Ready foundation, and I got this in buff. So again, I'm going to put do one with my sponge and one with blush. I am going to do one part of my face with this and one part of my face with that. There we go. I don't know how good. So I'm hoping, ignore this, this is the sunlight for you. I've just put it on my face, my camera cut out, so I'm just going to blend this in and see how we go. Okay, that has literally soaked it up, really has soaked it up. Where I think with this serum I got a better coverage than this is even giving me. It's weird. I'm going to try with the brush side and see. So guys, I'm going to draw you in so you can see what I can see. She says, "Oh sun, go away." So I'm just darkening him a little bit, but hopefully you can see what I mean. It's really light coverage. In fact, there's no coverage. It's gonna be one of them days, guys. So I'm hoping you can see me fine, because if I put that blind back up, we're gonna be in trouble. So I think the sponge is the way to go, which is very unusual for a foundation. And I'm just gonna pump it onto the beauty blender and actually put some product there. I'll just add another layer. So this is going to be a really light formula. Obviously I can't tell you the claims because they don't really give them you. I don't know anywhere online that sells it apart from the website that they've got. That's if they've got a website, I don't even know. I'm saying that. It's blended out nicely. It's definitely what I would class as low coverage. Very low coverage. Prefer the other one to this one, but it doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel cakey. I'm now just going to go into the Essence 69 Stay All Day Concealer. I wear this is in my project pan, and again it's just a concealer, guys. I haven't got a Wet n Wild one, Wet n Wild. I haven't got a W7 one, so I'm just going to go in with this. And again, this is quite bright under my eyes, but I'm just going to pad it out, mix it a bit. For pad under my eyes, I'm going to try out the W Set It Up FX finishing powder. And this one I haven't tried, so I'm just taking a little bit on a brush and I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. So it hasn't turned my under eyes yellow like the last one, which is good. I have got the bright eyes here, but because I know I'm using the same concealer, I know it's going to still darken my concealer. So, but what I thought was, is just get some on my brush, just a little bit. Now, I don't know if you watched the recent one, but I had fun with the one that was snowy. So that's added coverage, but this is supposed to be for under the eyes. And it gets everywhere. I didn't close the lid, that's why. It's very finely milled, but I'm going to go back to the translucent one. We got Christmas! And I'm taking the other one and I'm just going to try on my forehead and see. See, that's made it extremely white and pasty, whereas the other one gave me a little bit of coverage. If anything, it would definitely be the other way around with these ones. So definitely not the best powders in the world. If anything, it'd be a nice little set for a little girl that's just starting. Anything else, no. And I'm using clean clean brushes, and I'm still getting cat ears on there. So I'm using the W7 Hollywood Bronze and Glow. I used this last time and this was really nice. I did like this for bronzing. It's not a, she says, it's not a heavy bronzer, but you can blend it out and it blends out really nicely. You're not stuck with a shade that, especially if you're my skin tone, and just blend it out. So that's that, and then we're going to go into the same with the highlighter, and took all my brushes away to be cleaned. That's what I like. So I'm going to go in with the Spectrum brush with the highlighter from this duo. I'll tell you what, this is gorgeous for the price as well. It's not blinding, but it's a nice one. Tip of the nose, and you can see it. It's nice. It hasn't emphasised any pores. I look like I would normally. Didn't take long at all. And now I'm going to go into the W7 Baby Beat It Nude. This is what it looks like. That's before pad. So it's just an all neutral palette. So that's all this is going to be, an all neutral look. So again, I'm going to take this, the second one in. There is names, but I'm just taking this little second one here, this little neutral brown. I'm going to put that in my crease and use that. And I'll draw you in so you can actually see. So it is powdery in the pan. And when you tap it off, you do get a lot off. So, but the pigment's there. Obviously, because this is a basic palette, I'm not going to be doing, not that I do anything extravagant, but I just feel like you're not going to get a lot out of this palette. This palette is just going to be for an everyday look that you put on and get on with your day. So then I'm going to go into the darkest one, dark brown here, same brush, and just put it in my crease. And that isn't blending very well, is it? I'm sorry if you can hear my tumble dryer going, but I was like, I need to get clothes wash, I need to do this, I need to film, I need to do everything, but everything doesn't happen at once. Everything really doesn't. It takes time, and I'm just gonna pat this on the outer part of my eye because this is the darkest colour. Can't do a lot about it, so I'm just gonna pack it in there or on there. So I hope you guys are okay, and everybody's feeling fine. You know, I've been going through a bit of a rough time myself, but we have these rough times and you just sort of deal with them, especially me. I just get on with it, you know. I made this channel not to be morbid on it. I need a smaller brush, get some colour on there because it doesn't look brilliant, but I wasn't expecting it to be. The other palette was worse, I think, than this, a lot worse than this. So, but yeah, I'm just going in with a smaller. This is the E18 from Morphe. It's just slightly smaller so I can see if I can pack on a bit of colour, because I'm not getting a lot. Meow. Oh, you're talking to me. Hello, baby. So I'm literally packing this on the outside of my eye. Then I've got sort of 3 shimmer shades. Sort of, I said, didn't I? So, I don't know if you're going to see them. There's the 3. I think I'm going to go with this top one to put on my lid. And I'm going to use my finger to do that with. It's quite light, she says. It's very chunky. With the big brush, I'm going to take a bit of it and just put it over my eyebrow here. I never know if I've done it or not, but I think so. And then just with the brush, I'm just going to try and get some in this corner, which is not working. So going in with the darkest colour, I'm going to run this across my bottom lash line. And I'm just going back to blend a bit. Just blend it so it's a bit more blown out. So I'm just going to go off, put my brows on and a lipstick, and I'll be back to tell you how I feel about everything. So guys, this is the finished look. All I've used for my finishing look was the Kiko eyebrow pencil, my big colossal mascara, and the Tarte mini lipstick. So, things that will be staying. I do like this. I like this contour palette. I really like this bronzing contour, whatever you want to call it, palette. It's really nice, and it's a little bit dark, but when through the camera it's not, but it is gorgeous. And for under £5, all of this, yeah, big win for me, this one is. So the serum, it's nice. Do I need it? Probably not. Will I keep it? Probably not. It's not something that I need something to stop the oil. This is nice to keep it on your face, but I might give it a proper wear test, as in wear it for longer than a couple of hours and see how I feel then with this. The eyeshadow palette, big miss, wouldn't do it. I seem to find that that's with a lot of this. With the last eyeshadow palette, I struggled as well. It's not the best look. If anything, I'd buy it for my 13-year-old, 12-year-old just getting into makeup, rather than spending £40 on a palette, you know. And I'm saying that age, and I know ages of 9 and 10 that are just starting in makeup, and I've just sorted some makeup out for my daughter's friend who's got a daughter 9, 10, and she's asking for makeup at that age. So people that want to say they don't wear it at home, they want to play with it like mummy does. For £4 you can get a nice little set together, Christmas present, and it's not Claire's makeup. It's not the best makeup, but it's certainly better than some of the Claire stuff that you can get. This Buff W7 foundation, I probably never wear it again. It's not enough coverage for me. This is definitely low coverage. It's nice, it looks nice, but still I've got better low coverage amount that I need. Don't technically need another one. That's how I feel on that. This E7 Bright, this isn't for brightening under your eyes. This is literally a face powder. So, but I do like it as a face powder. So don't get me wrong there, I do like it as a face powder. And I will probably put it as a face powder. And I like this for under your eyes, which is technically the wrong way round. This should be your face, but this is too bright. So even though it's translucent. So yes, I would. I'm keeping these, but I'm going to use them the other way round. I think that's it, guys. Oh, don't tell me I just broke that. Oh, yes I have. The bronzer's broke. Not happy. That will have to go into drawer to be mended, which will take me another 6 months. There's 3 in there that need mending now. I'm still keeping it because I do like it and I will mend it. So yeah, so out of it, these are going to be used backwards. These I'm not fond of. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, I would love you to hit the thumbs up, tap the subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and also if there's anything you want me to review, just let me know that in the comments below and I'll do my best. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.